everyone, this is how to write an essay in 5 minutes. First, you go to essaybot.com, you create a new essay, you put a title in, you put a prompt in if you like, then you hit refresh paragraphs and it'll take you to the paragraphs. It has no plagiarism whatsoever. You can edit it in this part, and you can go to citations and cite all your sources.
If you are a broke and lazy college student like me, I'm going to change your life. You need to go to a website called b-ok.org. It has almost 5 million books on here for free. You just search up the name or author of the book you need, hit download, and there you go. You got the whole book for free. I just found this website in my final year, and I honestly could have saved myself so much stress if I'd known about it before, so share it to save my life.
Here's how to finish any assignment 10 times faster. So I have to watch this 2-hour-long documentary for class, and there's worksheet problems to do. I don't really want to watch the entire video, so here's what I'm going to do instead. Go to the bottom of the video and click these 3 dots, then click where it says Open Transcript. This is going to bring up the transcript of everything that was said in the video. So let's say you have a question about the economy, just hit Command F and search for it in the search bar. And it'll tell you exactly what parts of the video mention the economy. Share this with all of your friends and follow for the best life hacks. Here's a cool trick for all of you students. First, download this Chrome extension, and the next time you're in class on Google Meets, you'll be able to freeze your screen if someone comes in or you need to go to the bathroom. You can even blur yourself if maybe you're shy and you don't like people looking at you. Make sure to share this with all of your friends and follow for part 2.
This is how you write an essay quickly. Go to essaytyper.com, your essay topic. Type randomly on the keyboard. And just look at how your essay is being written for you.
This is the best way to take notes. Make sure you're on Google Chrome and open up a blank Google Doc. Go to Tools and select Voice Typing, and once your teacher starts talking, hit this button. Make sure to shoot me a follow because I post sick life hacks like this every single day. Also save this video so you can try it later.
This is how you get any online test answers, including Canvas. So what you'll want to do is pull up your test, right click, and then tap Inspect. It'll bring up a bunch of code. Go to Sources, and then tap API, V1, Conversations, and finally click this file. This file will reveal all the answers to your test.
My biggest tips to not go broke in college. Part 1. Colleges want as much money as possible, and they will always overcharge you on books. Never, ever buy from your college bookstore. Right now I'm taking biochem, and my professor's telling me to pay $80 for a deal. I went on Slugbooks and found out I could pay half the price. All you have to do is go to slugbooks.com, copy and paste your ISBN, and it'll automatically compare different prices at different websites to find you the best deal on your textbook. Save some money and go check out slugbooks.com.
Study hacks every student must know. Need to memorize something? Read it 10 times, say it out loud 10 times, write it down twice. Now it'll stick in your head. Up next, the best times to study. 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. your brain functions 100%. 6 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. your brain functions 50%. Nighttime, your brain only functions 20%. Next, cool trick to boost your memory. When studying for a test, chew gum. Then chew the same exact flavor gum during the exam. It will help you memorize what you studied. And the last one. Want to do better on your next test? Take a walk before the exam. Exercise boosts memory and brain power. Research suggests that 20 minutes of activity before exam can improve your performance. You're welcome. How about you go ahead and follow me on TikTok?